Tonight's Harvest Moon Eclipse offers a rare cosmic moment to deeply shift personal energies, making it a perfect opportunity for those who seek to alter the course of their lives. Unlike standard full moons, which emphasize culmination, this eclipse acts as a portal into a new timeline, marked by the shedding of past patterns and opening up new potentialities. This lunar eclipse in Taurus holds immense potential for breaking free from material stagnation, encouraging you to realign with your deepest values and life path. While Taurus is usually about stability, comfort, and security, the eclipse forces us to reconsider these notions in the context of growth. With Uranus closely aligned to this event, expect unexpected shifts in how you view your resources, both material and emotional. The Harvest Moon aspect adds a layer of closure to the summer cycle, a symbolic harvesting of the personal work you've done so far this year. If you've been working on self-improvement, manifestation, or spiritual growth, now is the time to collect the fruits of that labor. What makes this eclipse special is its karmic release potential. Consider using this eclipse as a ritualistic pivot point, a conscious decision to leave behind a past timeline and intentionally choose a new one. This energy is amplified by the conjunction of Jupiter, the planet of expansion, which means that small shifts now will echo loudly in the weeks to come. Try this manifestation ritual to make the most of this supercharged astrological moment. Light a white or gold candle and focus on the flame. Visualize the old version of yourself dissolving into the light of the moon. Then, as you blow out the candle, breathe in deeply and imagine yourself stepping into a new version of your life. Write down specific new goals or desires and affirm, "I am shifting into my highest timeline now." Because eclipses create rapid change, it's essential to remain adaptable. Rituals that emphasize flexibility and openness will be the most effective. This eclipse is an invitation to take control of your destiny, not by forcing change, but by aligning with the natural shifts occurring in the cosmos. Avoid overcomplicating your intentions. Simple but clear goals will have the most power tonight. As the eclipse brings old cycles to a close, trust that this is the exact moment to release fear and embrace the unknown. It's time to leap confidently into your new reality.